The word student to refer to a person who is learning or studying. Been student of history, student of philosophy, student of science. He is the student of history at the university, and she has always been a passionate student of philosophy, and the school encourages students to become lifelong students of science, to refer to a person enrolled in a school or educational program. One high school student, college student, graduate student. The high school student finished his homework before dinner, and she is a college student studying economics. After completing her undergraduate degree, she became a graduate student in law, to indicate a person learning a specific skill or subject. One student of art, student of language, student of music. One he's a student of art, focusing on modern painting techniques. On she's a student of language, fluent in 3 different languages. As a student of music, he practices piano for hours every day. To describe someone who is learning or gaining knowledge, an eager student, dedicated student, diligent student. The eager student asked many questions during the lecture, and she's a dedicated student, always ready to learn more. As a diligent student, he rarely misses a class. To refer to a person receiving formal instruction or training. An online student, full-time student, part-time student. Went and as an online student, she attends virtual classes from home. He is a full-time student with a packed schedule. A part-time student works during the day and studies in the evening.